every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I